Today, on Brighton's big day, it's a snow day! Snow day. It's snow day. Look outside. Look at the snow. It's so pretty. We're getting ready to go outside and see what he does with snow for the first time. You excited about snow? Can you say snow? Can you say snow? Snow? Look, can you say snow? Can you say snow? I see it. Isn't it crazy? Today on Brighton's big day, it's snow! Are you excited, baby? Look out there. You see it? Look at it. I know, right? Isn't it cool? Alright, well let's get ready. We gotta put on a bigger jacket. So this is some kind of jacket we bought for him that was on clearance. As you can see, it was originally $70 and sold for $10. It's a cool little weatherproof jacket with a hood, which seems a little overpriced at $70. Here, put your jacket on. You put your jacket on, put your arm in. Put your arm in. Stay warm. Put your arm in. You gonna dance, buddy? Come on, you can't have your fingers all spread out. You don't have to put a jacket on. There you go. Look at that. Look at how super cute she is. You can zip it up? Oh, we found a random Cheerio. If you're gonna eat it, eat it. You gonna eat it? Eat your random Cheerio. Zip your jacket. Oh, look at this. You look like a little snow bunny. Oh, you're ready to sit down and wear your hood? It's cold out there. Turn around and see the camera. Alright, come on. Ready? Boom. You like the snow? Go back the other way. Back. The whole game is to dodge Daddy to get to the road. That's not what we're doing. Hold. Now go in the street. Come on. Go that way. Go that way. Let's go back this way. Come on. Come on, let's go back this way. Come on. Come on. Come here, buddy. You want to help me write this? Ready? I'm going to write. Brighton's big snow day. We'll do it again. Take two. Okay. Come on. Can I help with it this time? Come here. Ready? Is Brighton left-handed or right-handed? And draw? So are you left-handed? Do it with this hand. Do it with this hand.
Okay.
What do you think about that, buddy? Brighton's got a snow hat on.
Wait. I got it.